If you select a fitness club on the opposite side of your city, will you be capable to stay motivated and make an attempt to go to regularly? Probably not. Particularly on those days when your determination is on a minimum and your work agenda is beyond busy. An honest fitness club location will ideally be someplace between your home and your job. Having a fitness club within the area goes to scale back your stress level, keep you doing exercises and prevent tons of time period. Charges. Joining a fitness club are often an enormous financial investment. Gym membership charges aren't to be taken lightly and are often the most reason why people choose a selected gym. Inexpensive gym subscriptions could seem sort of a far better option within the beginning, but might be a poor choice if these gyms can't accommodate your needs. An equivalent thing goes for more costly fitness gyms. You'll be paying an excessive amount for what you're receiving. Additionally, many fitness gyms would require a registration fee. You would possibly simply await any special offer to save lots on these fees, but you'll also speak to the staff. Suggest that you're considering several other gyms also and find out what quite offer they will present you with directly. Services. Gym amenities and costs go hand in hand. If you're not planning on using much of the facilities the gym has got to offer, you would possibly be overpaying. Alternatively, if you wish a sauna or an honest swim after your regular workout, a less costly gym without those amenities might not be right for you. Make certain to get what the gym's facilities are and the way regularly you'll be using these. Modern facilities are often an honest thanks to get your attention to sign up, but you've got to make certain you'll need all the gym has got to provide. If you would like specialized facilities like no-cost car parking, group classes, see whether or not they are included in your membership or whether you would like to pay extra for these. Membership contract. An excellent fitness club agreement exists so as to safeguard both your own and therefore the fitness club's interests. Determine how the personnel interact with you and if they will be pushy. If they expect you to hitch on the spot, walk away. Ideally, you'd want to hold the agreement home with you, read it very carefully and believe it. Find out just how long the agreement is sweet for and if there are any concealed charges. Will your agreement carry over automatically? Thrash out to affect the staff, view it as a sport and you'll frequently get significantly lower rates. Request to undertake the power before signing a binding agreement, but be careful for any paper that you simply got to sign. Less respectable fitness gyms could slip you a contract while saying it's a form for liability purposes. Always check out the terms and conditions of your membership contract. Opening times. Will your favorite gym be open during the hours that you simply could be thinking of working out? Many of us exercise within the morning, some prefer the evening hours, and there are fitness gyms that are closed during the weekends. You would like to seem for a fitness club which will fit your hectic schedule. Otherwise, you'll be paying for a gym you cannot get access to sometimes that suit you the foremost. Staff. Excellent fitness gyms have good personnel, who are supportive, warm, friendly and skilled. The personnel should answer all of your questions, assist you build up fitness workout routines and even spot you during workout sessions. Confirm to ask about their accreditations and see how they treat you as a possible new member. Just in case you're struggling in getting your questions answered beforehand, be skeptical of the way they go to treat you when you've signed up with the gym. Friendliness may be a big benefit. A depressed countenance as a welcome to your fitness club can drain all of the energy far away from you. Regular members. What's important is that you simply choose a gym where you'll feel comfortable exercising. You ought to not feel uncomfortable, threatened or confused. Determine what quite folks are exercising at your fitness club of preference. Are they really your favorite sort of people? If you would like to exercise intensely, you'll not sort of a fitness club where friendly chat is on the schedule. If you wish meeting new folks, you're more happy during a gym where there is a great personal ambience and where people interact effortlessly with one another. Just in case you do not appreciate co-ed fitness gyms, you'll choose a ladies only or men's only gym near you. Gym equipment. Whenever you visit a fitness club of your choice, confirm to require a glance around. Exactly what does one notice? Are there sufficient machines, weight plates and hand weights for everyone? Make an attempt to seek out if members are waiting around in line for well-liked fitness equipment and exercises. Some gyms are famous for using deadlines on fitness cardio equipment. If you're meaning to do tons of cardio, this point limit won't be good for you. If you're a very serious bodybuilder or want to show into one, confirm that the available dumbbells, weight loads and weight plates satisfy your desires. Care. There is absolutely nothing worse than a fitness club with non-hygiene requirements. You'll be wanting to check in for a gym where they need clean fitness equipment, locker rooms, bathrooms and toilets. Shop around on your initial visit. Are there sufficient towels to wash the gym equipment after each use? Also make sure that staff members enforce these requirements. While you happen to be there, take a glance at the locker room, showers and bogs. If you do not appreciate what you're seeing, you'll bet your money that hygiene standards aren't being enforced there in club. Good friends. Consult people you're friends with and ask where they have been keeping fit and if they're pleased. Repeatedly, your friends and folk you already know can offer you an excellent insight into great community fitness gyms and warn you for gyms you want to avoid.